Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Sonakshi Sinha has been giving us major makeup goals for a while now, and there's this one particular look that has got us all swooning, her blue graphic eye look. Blue eyes have been trending all over the world at red carpets and fashion weeks, and if you've been following POPxo Beauty for quite some time now, then you'll know what I'm talking about. So today I'm going to break this look down for you guys and show you how to recreate it. This look is perfect for an evening or night look, and even if your outfit is really simple, the eyes are definitely going to be a statement. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Also, check out the POPxo shop. We have some amazing things out there like cushion covers, mugs, laptop sleeves and a lot more. So make sure you check out the link in the description box below. And for more such videos, keep watching POPxo Beauty.